oscillating saw and a lot of elbow grease. We got the tub strand off and then took the umpteen brad nails out and the screws out and the regular nails out and got the plywood off that they put around. You can see where the floor had been covered up. It used to be a garden tub. It actually says garden tub from the factory here, but the floor is
weak.
it's gonna have to be fixed. So, and we'll have to raise this up to raise the mechanical vent. Looks like we'll have to reinforce that, although I wouldn't have done rigid plastic fittings, but somebody decided that that would be a good idea. But we'll get all that straightened out, and we're going to raise this tub up after we fix the floor. There you go.